and I just wanted to show you my first guess was a misfire. That's a term that we use when the engine malfunctions. One of the first indicators you get is that the check engine light flashes and the engine still runs, but rough. You can feel it shaking and rough. You can still drive it. It's safe to drive. You can take it back home, out of the road. The intention for me is to create safe environment, because if you stop somewhere that is not safe, you can get in an accident. As you can see right here, it's a cylinder 1 misfire, so I was right on my first guess. It's a 2009 Mercedes GL 450. It's a V8 engine with a cylinder 1 misfire.